this is Ian from Zero Imagination, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Nerf rival Apollo. Now this is the first Nerf gun that was released in the Nerf rival series. Now these have these are kind of like bullets, but they're foam. Now I'm gonna go get to opening this thing is naturally held by tape, and this is closed box, as you can see. Got a tape on the side and scissors. Now I'm going to open up the box, and all of these have this little cardboard thing inside that reveal the Nerf rival Apollo. They've also got these side cardboard things that simple to cut off. Let's cut them. One and two. So this is the Nerf rival ball. Some people say this is very hard to cock. See what they mean? It's fairly hard. So if you cock it, it's got an indicator in the back. Shows it's orange, and then you can fire. Now it's got a small mag slot at the bottom. Or wait a second. These Nerf rival mags. This one is a 7-round to go with the Apollo. It has 7 rounds, and I'm pretty sure that there is a magazine release. Yes. There's this small black button. It's colored black to blend in to kind of make it seem a bit more like gun. So you push this down, and it slightly springs this outward. This mag has a small system where if you load in a rival ball, just push it down. If you push this out, it should push as many balls as are in here out. Now, time to test this range. Cameraman, please turn that way. The cameraman is my mom, by the way, so camera woman. Very powerful. And it's also got a trigger lock on the side. So basically, if you don't want to pull the trigger, this will lock the trigger so it won't fire. I have to say, it's very interesting. Some people say it's very hard to cock. This is the most powerful Nerf rival gun I've ever owned. I have another one, the Nerf rival Artemis. This is nothing compared to how powerful this is. Slightly hard to cock, and I hear it jams a lot, but still, it seems very powerful. Now these balls, they ricochet because they're like foam. So the way that works. And I also have the instructions right here. And if I'm right, it should have a jam door. The jam door? Okay. There is also These are the rounds it comes with. Comes with 7 Nerf rival rounds. Just gonna pour these into my hand quickly. Comes with 7 rounds to fit the 7-round magazine. These magazines are very easy to load. Also, another cool feature about this gun, please point down. Please point down to the ground, please. You see these guns? Look, these magazines, the way these are made, so if you push it, new guns also have very powerful springs, so they will tend to pop out. So you push it against one like that, and it loads up. Now I could see why they say it jams a lot, because this one's very springy. But other than that, it's a pretty good gun. It is very powerful, I'll tell you that. And it has, it's basically the bare bones. Now, if you see this on YouTube and you think it's a tiny pistol, it's not. This thing is pretty large. Much larger than it has on there. Other than that, it's a good gun. Again, a bit of a problem with the cocking. Other than that, it's a good gun. That was my video on the Nerf Rival Apollo, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!